All right, guys, last lesson of Mod 3, lesson 16. Okay, so now it's a little different than what we've been doing. Um, Whereas before we've been working on fractions and subtraction, but this is part to whole relationships. It's kind of like a fraction, which is really kind of what a fraction is, but we're not adding and subtracting things. So how we're going to do this, it says draw the following ribbons. When finished, compare your work to your partner. So one ribbon. The piece shown below, this piece right here, is only 1/3 of the whole. Complete the drawing to show the whole ribbon. So if this is 1/3, so this one piece is 1/3. So what do I need to do? I need to draw two more pieces. Okay? So that, and I could, to show it, that's 2/3, right? Because think about it, this piece right here is 1/3. Okay? Let's look at the next one. The one ribbon, the piece below shown is 4/5 of the whole. So this whole thing is 4/5. So what do I need to draw? I need to draw one more piece. So you could think of this as 1, 2, 3, and there's my fourth piece, and then there's my fifth piece. Okay? So now look at C. Two ribbons, A and B. 1/3 of A is equal to all of B. So I know there's two ribbons. I have A and I have B. And it says 1/3 of A is equal to all of B. So if I draw B here, so first I got to figure out which is bigger, A or B. Well, I'm going to say A is, because it says 1/3 of A is equal to all of B. So if I do this, right, that's 1/3. This is all. What do I need to do? I need to draw two more thirds. Now, it's not drawn to scale, but that's what it would look like. Does that make sense? Now, it says three ribbons, C, D, and E. Okay, so C, D, and E. I like to clearly identify them. C is half the length of D. E is twice as long as D. Draw a picture of the ribbons. So what do I know? I know if I draw C, C is half the length of D. So if C's here, and it says C is half the length of D. So that must mean, because C is half the length of D. In E, okay, now it says E is twice as long as D. So if D is two pieces, then it's going to be four pieces. So there's my two. All right, so there it is. It says half of Sarah's wire, number 3, half of Sarah's wire is equal to 2/5 of Daniel's. Chris has 3 times as much as Sarah, and all their wire measures 6 feet. How long is Sarah's wire? So the first thing I'm going to do is I know I have Sarah, I have Daniel, and I have Chris. All right. All right. So half of Sarah's is equal to 2/5 of Daniel's. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw Daniel's. And I know that 2/5 of it, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's 2/5. Okay? It says half of Sarah's wire is equal to 2/5. Okay? If this is half, okay, So now it says Chris has 3 times as much as Sarah. So let me think of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if that's Sarah's, then I'm going to know this is 12. Okay? So I could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, those are ugly. Okay, so now it says in all they 6 feet. Okay, so it says how long is Sarah's what? So first of all, I got to figure out how many pieces total do I have. Well, this is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I have 21 total pieces. Okay, so, and I need to divide that by 6, because it's 6 divided by 21, which is really equal to 6 over 21 feet. So how long is Sarah's wire? Well, if one piece is equal to 6 over 21, so then this is going to be 24 over 21, which is equal to 1 and 3, hold on, 21s, which is equal to 1 and 1/7 feet. Okay, so that's how long 1 and 1/7 feet for Sarah. All right, all right. That's it. Check it out. Check out the flow chart. Bye.